Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find the chat history on a Zoom app. So this is Zoom Workplace PC versions. In order to do that, find your chat history or save your chat, you can do it by start a new meeting or join meeting first. Let's practice by start a new meeting. Here you can see there are some tools like manage participant, chat, react, share screen, host tools, third-party apps, and more. So here there's a chat, so you can click it. Now in order to find chat history, or you can make history, create the history, you can try to start chat first. For example, this one. Here, as you can see, there is a more button beside a Zoom meeting, your names. Here, click it, and here we go. You can click save chat. Now chat is saved, and click show in folder in order to see your chat history. Here we go. Under document Zoom, this is the date and your name on Zoom meeting. You can double click. This is the chat history. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.